things work out for many, and where things are in order, then there is progress in the family. But if the breadwinner of the family is meek and weak in looking into his own interest, then how will he protect the family from the wild world? Again, this is a fallout of marriage only. You do not know what kind of person you are marrying. This one gets to know only after one lives for a longer and permanent period. In India, after marriage. But if we are modern enough and we have better understanding of life and relationships, then we can try before marriage or before getting into the marriage trap. And today's youth is doing it without the knowledge of the parents. And the moment the parents who care for the society and who live for the society and their relatives, they come to know of it, they try to drag them into the marriage trap through the various marriage sites like Bharat Matrimony, Jeevansathi.com, and innumerable such things. I joined them to get to know what kind of girls and boys are there and what kind of parents are there who streamline marriages without proper thoughts. And I found that the parents are very, very stubborn in getting marriage done for unwilling children. And that is the main cause of the divorces and the traumas and the illegitimate children which they call, which are born to them. Such children are traumatized and they lose the happiness in their own personal lives when they start growing. And different dimensions can be seen, which I have seen as a research person. Some children become so weak and meek that even if they are a part of the regular family, the stronger members or stronger counterparts, maybe the brother or the father, they cannot face and they leave the house to wrap themselves with all the unwanted difficulties which actually they shouldn't have. Had they been stronger, they would have stayed in their own families and found their required place. But their meek attitude make them run from one place to the other. And if they marry a girl, then this kind of girl suffers in her life as a married spouse to such a man. And vice versa. So we do not realize what is happening in our lives due to who, why. A good person does not run away. He or she tries to take care of such weak people who come into their lives mostly through marriage. If we open up to living together without forced marriage, then things would be much better. So the world becomes tough because of the, the stiffness in the people, the senior people, in the families as well as in the society, who do not buzz, and all suffer in the process. I feel that it's high time that we all should come forward and try to streamline this process of forming families and a healthy family with healthy inmates, rather than trying to live with the shit of each other.